You are welcome to another video of Yang-based network automation using NetConf, RESTconf, and GNMI. In this section, we will talk about NetConf protocol, one of the Yang-based network automation protocol which will be discussed during the course. In this section, we will discuss fundamental concepts of the NetConf protocol before moving on to the demonstration in the next sections. We have already discussed about the details of Yang data model in the third lesson of this course. In this section, we will start to discuss about NetConf protocol, which uses the Yang data structure to automate network devices. To use NetConf as a network automation protocol, we need network devices, support Yang data model, and also NetConf protocol. Then we can use Ansible or one of the Python netconf libraries like Python NC client or Nornier netconf plugin to automate network by sending or receiving network configuration or device statistics. NetConf uses SSH infrastructure to send or receive the configuration using RPC command over a standard TCP port 830. There is a list of RPC commands that can be used in NetConf protocol depending on the action and type of data being sent or received to or from network devices. Among these RPC commands, three are the most commonly used. Get command is used to get the device configuration or device statistics such as interface statistics. Get config command is used to get all or part of the network device configuration, and also edit config command used to change the configuration of network devices. In addition to these commands, there are some other commands that can also be used in NetConf protocol in network automation. The command, for example, delete config to delete the configuration and copy config to replace the entire configuration. There are three data stores that can be supported in the NetConf protocol. One of them is running, which is mandatory and is used to send or receive the configuration to or from the running configuration of network devices. But a startup and candidate are other data stores that may be supported in NetConf depending on the vendor and device type. RPC command commit is used to copy the candidate configuration to the active configuration if it is supported. Juniper Junos devices or Cisco IOS XR devices are the sample of devices that may support candidate configuration in NetConf protocol. The configuration or any other data sent or received through NetConf protocol is encoded using XML language. Since this is the only data encoding language supported by NetConf protocol, as an example here, I have shown a sample OSPF configuration with XML data structure. In the second lesson of the course, we already talked about XML data encoding language and how it differs from JSON and XML data structure. The next sections are devoted to using NetConf to get the configuration, get device statistics, change the configuration, delete the configuration, and also save the configuration. We will use Python library Nornier NetConf to do all NetConf network automation tasks during the course. The NC client is another Python library that can be used to use NetConf for network automation. The benefit of Nornier NetConf is that we can take the advantage of Nornier inventory management and multi-threading capabilities, making network automation easier and more efficient. Going to the website nornier.tech and then projects and then Nornier and then plugins and the Nornier NetConf plugin, or searching for the keywords Nornier NetConf GitHub in the Google will redirect you to the source of Nornier NetConf Python library in GitHub source community. Then in the past, near NetConf, and then plugins, and then tasks. You will find all network automation tasks supported by near NetConf. In the folder retrieval, there are two tasks, netconf get and netconf get config, that we will discuss in the next section, and they are used to retrieve the entire or part of the configuration or network statistic. In the folder editing, there are the task netconf edit config and netconf commit that we will use to change and commit the configuration. To change or read only part of the configuration or device statistic, we will use two filters, XPath or sub3, which we will discuss in the next sections. We will also discuss how to use Jinja 2 template to change the configuration of devices, which we have also discussed in CLI-based network automation. Jinja 2 template has the advantage of keeping the configuration and data separate from automation script and inventory to optimize network automation.